channel. It is night time. Well, not night time, it's 6:30. We are going to, I don't even know where we're going, but my legs don't really work. My knees are not working properly. Like, I have to wear these like bandage things on my knees. But yeah, so we're not going to be doing too much walking because I physically can't do it. But we're going to go to some markets, have some food, and it'll be nice. I've been in the house all day, been doing stuff, but it's just been kind of depressing, like not being able to walk around much. So I'm excited. That's why I love. So we're here at Souk Madinat. Look at all this stuff. I can't believe we've taken so long to come here. Look, like this is, I love this. And it's quite small as well, so it's a nice ornament. I love these. I love that little antique fan. Look at those. I feel like we're outside. This is such a nice vibe. Look at these.
No, we'll see what they have.
So pretty. No, you have to leave.
It's gonna be
River. Oh, there's a restaurant down there.
Watford.
I put it down. See how big it is. No, oh, it doesn't look. Oh, it's huge. That's not a normal size glass.
No.
Next, it's the size of your head.
I know. Take a picture. You know they make really weird noises at night. It sounds like a phone.
What, lizards?
Yeah.
So I've got some barbecue pork ribs. We didn't know that they actually have pork here. Coleslaw and fries it comes with. And some wine. What's that? Fish and chips and what is that more?
Chicken breast.
Lovely. We're back. We ate so much food. Like, I feel like I'm in a food coma. I got one thing, postcard, like probably the most boring thing, but I collect postcards from every country since I was like 16. So I needed to get one for my collection. I'm gonna try and sleep early because tomorrow we've got our friend's birthday party on a yacht. She met us on a yacht. And it starts like at midday, so it's kind of gonna be a whole day thing. So we need to get prepared for that, energetically prepared for that. But I'm really, really excited. We're gonna go to the yacht now. We're running quite late because we had to go pick up food because I haven't eaten today. But yeah, I'm excited. So we're at Business Bay. Very, very pretty. I love it. I love this area.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Take videos.
I'm already taking a video.
Oh my god, I know! He's like, get out!
Ooh. Oh my god. No way. I think so. There's rooms down there. Whoa.
Lit. I love it. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh, so this is the upstairs. Wait, so there's two wheels then?
Sorry?
There's two wheels and there's a jacuzzi. Wow.
Oh.
No way. This is the bedroom. Is there two bedrooms?
No, this one. Sorry.
And the bathroom. Gonna shake an ass on a yacht. Oh my god, I feel like I'm literally the light. Come every time I come around my London Bridge when I go down. So over there, I don't know if you can see it. There's like, you can see land over there. I always get really excited when I see land from afar. Look at these villas over there, they're so nice. You know what, I would go in the water, but I'm wearing my contacts and I am like deadly scared of. I go in the ocean, but like this kind of sea, no. I'm just, I'm so scared of like sea creatures and stuff. I think I'd have a panic attack and die, so I'm gonna pass. Supermarket on the water. Bruce, you can do it, Bruce. Bruce.
I need you to continue living life the way you do.
Yeah.
Very open, loving everybody you meet. Yes, sir.
Yacht is finished. I think we're going to a bunch, but I'm not sure. What's this place called? Marcelo?
Accidental.
Occidental.
Occidental.
This kid's here. Wow. We're walking around barefoot. It's okay. Damn! I actually can't get over this view. I can't. It's quite dark though, even with the flash. But okay. It's pretty. It is very pretty. Why are you not singing? Wow, my face is so sweaty. No, it's just sun cream. I'm on the way to the beach. It's the next morning. Wasn't hungover because it was like a daytime drinking thing. We got home at like 12:30. Yeah, I was really tired though, so I wanted to go home. Oh my god, it was so fun. It was so good. The yacht was amazing. And now I'm on the way to the beach and I'm just on my own. It's been very like anxious yesterday at night. Probably the alcohol, but yeah, it was really, I haven't felt like that for a long time. Very like panicky and finding it hard to breathe and stuff. So I thought today I'm gonna just go to the beach in the morning, chill on my own, really need some alone time. My social battery like dies quite quickly, so I need a lot of time to like, you know, rejuvenate myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some like journaling, listen to music, read a book, just chill, just do some self-reflection. I think it's necessary every now and then, and I'm feeling better today. Very crowded, I think, because it's like getting towards Christmas time, so more and more people are coming, but it's still like 35 degrees. Touching on the point I was talking about before, that I was feeling very anxious. I'm still feeling anxious now. I think the like worrying of your impressions that you're making on other people is like starting to get to me a bit, which I didn't think would be an issue. But I think I was just doing a bit of writing. I think I need to just set more boundaries, and like it's hard obviously when you're trying to make new friends, blah blah blah. But I think I keep worrying about like how I'm coming off to other people, just like breaking my boundaries, and it's just kind of, I don't know, it's getting to me, it's making me a bit anxious. So I need to sort that out. Next time I go out, I need to just be more strict and not really let other people's like opinions sway me. And I used to be a very anxious person. I haven't felt anxious. I felt this anxious in a long time. So I know that something's wrong. I'm doing something wrong. So I need to sort it out. Just watched Brother Bear. My eyes all puffy. There's a little coda. Oh, it just reminds me of my dog, Leo. The little coda baby bear. I'm home alone, which I love. I love being home alone. Like, I look forward to these moments. Not that I love my family, but it's nice just being on your own in the house and just do whatever I want. Wash my hair. I'm really tired today. Oh my gosh, this man at the beach. He wasn't that creepy, but it's just that basically he like spoke to me briefly. Then when I went in the sea, he moved his towel next to my towel. I could see it from the sea, that what he was doing. And then he put like 2 drinks on my towel, and like it was the same drinks that were on his towel. So I stayed in the sea for literally, I think, about an hour, because I was kind of waiting for him to go. Because today I just didn't want to be disturbed. I just wanted to be on my own and chill and not have to like, you know, talk to anyone. I was hoping that he would leave, and he didn't. But so I waited until he went for like a walk along the beach. Then I literally ran out of the water, went to my towel, took the drinks off, because I didn't want them anyway. I was just gonna pretend that I didn't know that they were for me. And then I moved my towel. Like, he could still see me. I just moved it a bit further away to like show that, look, I'm not interested. This guy was like 40, mid-40s. Like, no, that's what makes it gross. That he was so old. And then he got back from his little walk, and obviously I was trying not to look at him, but then he was like looking at me, and obviously he got the hint, which is good, because I was a bit scared that he would like come up to me again. Do you know what, I knew he was going to do that, because when he walked onto the beach, I was writing in my journal. And then he said something to me. He was like, oh, he's like studying, like something like that. And I would just reply like, yeah, whatever. I knew that he was going to come over. I think because I had responded, I was like, oh no, this man's going to come over. And he kept watching me and like slyly moving his towel towards mine. I can see you. You just have to be kind of rude. Like, it's rude of me to do that. But, you know, boundaries. If you don't want to be like disturbed, harassed or whatever, you just have to be assertive. You don't need to be nice to all these men, because obviously you know they only want one thing. So Just because just because you buy me a drink or like buy me water, like doesn't mean that I now owe you my time. Just because you've decided to buy me something, I didn't ask for that. Sometimes I'll entertain a conversation, like a short conversation. But today I wasn't in the mood, so I did what I had to do. Like, you probably thought, oh, she's not gonna notice. I notice everything. I see everything about this kind of stuff. I'm just I force myself to be very aware all the time of little things like that. I've never had to do this in the UK, ever. Because it's just like the culture's just like, you don't really go up to people that much. I do like it, obviously, when it's someone who's fit, or if it's a girl and we're talking and stuff. But when it's an old man, oh no, it's just gross. Like, it's quite gross. I've decided I'm just gonna tell people that I'm 15. And if that's not an issue for them, then I'll be like, bye. But hopefully, okay, me saying that I'm 15, I feel like I could pass as 15 because I have a baby face and like quite chubby cheeks, so I can definitely pass as 15. So hopefully that will just, someone tries to talk to me about 15. And that's on rejection. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.